Good morning, how are you?
Good morning. I'm okay, except my voice is not very good today.
Okay. It's such a pleasure to meet you, Mr. Olivia from
LINAPACK.
LINAPACK. So the first question is, what comes in your mind first before you develop product or outstanding innovation at PROPAK Asia 2024?
Okay, so this year we have new products for the trend for packaging. Pouch packaging is to go to bigger pouches, up to 3.6, 4 liters, which is quite new. It used to be quite normal in Vietnam, but it's coming to Thailand also. So we have to develop new range of machinery to cater for those bigger pouches, and the market demand is growing a lot about that. So that's actually it's an extension from our range of pouch filling machine, linear pouch filling machine, which we extend to be a cater for those big pouches.
In the past, we discussed about global warming, but this situation or this period have been changed to global warming. How do you feel about this situation now?
Well, of course, we are all concerned. We work in the packaging industry, so we know that we are part of the problem. So there is some new packaging material that are coming to the market now, which are more recyclable, which are called monomaterials. And these monomaterials, they require some kind of adjustments to the machine. So this is we are trying to make this thing happen. So monomaterial can really happen and reduce the pollution, basically. And as far as carbon footprint is concerned, of course, we try to optimize the energy consumption on our machine. That's a continuous process. It's not starting this year. It's been since the beginning. We always try to reduce the consumption for our users.
And the last question is, what's policy regarding the concept of measure to reduce greenhouse emissions and sustainable development goal?
Yeah, as I said, we have the policy, but that's a continuous policy to reduce the machine energy consumption. Yes, so it goes into perhaps using more efficient, like smaller motors where we can, smaller actuators, something like that, reducing the overall air consumption for the pneumatic, and also making maybe more motions to be automated by servo motor rather than pneumatic also.
SMC also realized the importance of the gas emissions,
Yes.
energy management.
Yes.
We focus on customer needs as well. And finally, could you, Mr. Olivia from LINAPACK, comments on SMC product activity that we provided?
We have been testing with SMC some flow meter system to check the energy consumption. There is some good products. So first of all, I must say that we use a lot of SMC products in our machine, and there is that question of the air that is wasted during the idle time of the machine. And we found out that with SMC product, the air consumption during the idle time is zero. So this is very good. It's good for you. And yes, we are happy to also guide our clients to try to trace some leaks in their systems, their compressed air system. Also to reduce, because the leak is, you heard of the problem at home where you have your TV in standby all the time and it's using electricity for no reason, right? It's the same for compressed air. If your machine is in standby, but you're leaking air everywhere, it's the same. You're wasting energy for no reason. So this we are trying to train our clients to be strict with their air leak policy, something like that. Try to make them reduce also the energy. But that's only guidelines we can give them. Of course, the end user is the only person to decide, right? We can only guide them.
And thank you for your time to answer all my questions.
No problem.
And you're supporting your trust for using SMC very long time.
Oh, 20 more years for sure. We have been working with SMC for more than 20 years. Yes.
And we hope you continue using
Yeah, sure.
us.
I think there's no reason why not. See you next year.
Yeah.